In this episode, we're going to learn about Thomas Jefferson. Thomas Jefferson was the third president of the United States, but what else was he famous for? Thomas Jefferson was born on April 13th, 1743, in Shadwell, Virginia. At the time he was born, Virginia was one of the 13 colonies, which were ruled by Great Britain. The colonists, or the people who lived in the 13 colonies, didn't like the King of Great Britain's laws and wanted to become their own country. Thomas was one of those men. So Thomas, along with four other men, wrote the Declaration of Independence. It was a document that said that the United States of America was a free and independent country from Great Britain. The Declaration of Independence was written in 1776, and the Revolutionary War had already started, but the colonies won the war in 1781. In 1801, Thomas Jefferson became the third president of the United States. When he was president, Thomas Jefferson acquired the Louisiana Purchase, which doubled the size of the United States. Thomas Jefferson sent two men named Lewis and Clark on an expedition to learn about the new land. After his presidency, Thomas Jefferson returned to his home Monticello in Charlottesville, Virginia. Here, he founded the University of Virginia, which still exists today. Now that we know about Thomas Jefferson, let's see if you can answer these questions about him. In what state was Thomas Jefferson born? What do you think? You're right. He was born in Virginia. What important document did he help write along with four other men? What do you think? You're right. He helped write the Declaration of Independence. What was the name of the land that he bought as president? What do you think? You're right. It was the Louisiana Purchase. I hope you like this lesson on Thomas Jefferson. Don't forget to check out my channel for more lessons. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my TPT store to learn more.